Hi, kids. Today, you will learn about the fruit fair. The fruit fair is a fun place where you can find all kinds of colorful, sweet, and healthy fruits. Let's look at some of the yummy fruits you can enjoy at the fair. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. Grapefruit. G-R-A-P-E-F-R-U-I-T. Grapefruit. Custard apple. C-U-S-T-A-R-D-A-P-P-L-E. Custard apple. Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Bananas. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. Eating fruits gives you lots of energy to play and learn. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.